Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this short tutorial I will discuss about how to icon in large size on your iPhone on iOS devices. Make sure your device up to date on iOS 18 or later. So first of all, check your update on iOS 18 or not. For that, simply tap on general. Now tap on software update. You can see this device up to date now guys. For the application large size, tap on screen long press here and now tap on edit, tap on customize, and when you tap on large, your application icon has been large. You can see appears on screen. When you tap on small, is come back on small size. When you tap on large, your iPhone application in large size. Now guys, if you want to come back in small size of your iPhone application, long press, now tap on edit, tap on customize, now tap on small. You come back in your small size. Guys, you can enlarge your app size on your iPhone by this method. So guys, please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.